Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here, back again with another video. Today we're heading to the dealership to check out the new wide body Redeye. So this is a car that a lot of people have been anticipating and waiting for ever since it got announced. A lot of people have been on edge to see what this thing's all about, and I'm pretty excited to finally get to take a look at it and see what all the changes are on that car. As you guys know, this is a 797 horsepower vehicle, so it's definitely a beast right out of the box, and I'm pretty pumped to see where people take this vehicle, because I know there's going to be a ton of people modifying them, racing them, doing all kinds of stuff with them, since unlike the Demon, it's not going to be a limited production number. So yeah, we're heading over to the dealership right now. My buddy might roll through, I hope he does, and we're gonna check out the car together. So we finally have some good weather here. As you can see, beautiful sunny day in SoCal. No more rain. We're so tired of the rain. We like this weather a lot better. Alrighty guys, 6.2 Hellcats here. Rush SRT's here. We're ready to go check out that Redeye. But we have somebody else tagging along. I know a Mustang is coming, guys, and it might not be your favorite, but he's coming along. He's a cool guy, and well, we're all gonna go check out the Redeye together. Dealership's close by here. There he is. Oh, check this out. He's actually vlogging for real now.
Wait, you didn't believe me?
You were fully committed now.
What's up, man? How are you?
What do you got? Let me look at the camera. Check it out. 60D, alright. That's nice, that's nice. Alrighty guys, so we're getting ready to head out to the dealership. My buddy's actually interested in the Redeye, so that's kind of cool. So there he is. Has a Hellcat, wants to... Thanks a lot, bud. Thanks a lot, bud. You make my vlogging life so easy. Those guys are fucking crazy. Alrighty guys, here we are. Here's the dealership. Yeah, that's one tune Mustang. Here we are, made it to the dealership. Now let's go see if they have some Redeyes, baby. Let's go see. Alright guys, so we're taking a look inside the Redeye. This one, it has an MSRP of $73,000, but it's got like the base model seats on it, and it doesn't have the wide body.
Converting.
The wide body's like what, $6,000 more? $7,000 upgrade. So it's still under what? It's about $80,000 at that point, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so we checked out the base model, kind of the narrow body Redeye in there, but now we're gonna go look at the actual wide body Redeye, the one that's fully loaded. They have two of them here in B5 blue, which is a pretty sexy color. So we're about to go check it out. And Manny started vlogging today, by the way. So when he makes the channel, I'll give him a shout out so you guys can go check him out. Where are we going? Hiding them out here. Damn. He's like around the corner. I'm like, alright, we'll walk over there. No, like down the street, you mean?
It's better in person.
There we go.
It's way better in person. That's a cool one.
Cool. There we go. I spot one. I see it.
Come on, Ted.
Are these like super fresh? Or you guys have them off the lot right now?
They're fresh. They're never touched.
They're in detailed mode, huh?
Not even yet. They're
Dude, I love that color. That color is... Is that, what is that one?
I was telling you, that one's got everything. I think this is the one. Somebody must have bought it.
Bought it? It's already sold?
Yeah.
It's for the showroom.
Oh, this was going to the showroom?
And it's all done and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, this was the one. So this one's that top boat one. This is 85.
Wow, that color combination is sick. Like the gunmetal.
This is 96.
96?
Yeah.
It's 96. 15 miles on the dash. 15 miles on the dash.
Looks way better. My body makes a difference.
Yeah, so I'm glad it's not sold. It's like, I have a guy that wants this car, but he doesn't want the screen back. He wants the all Alcantara. Okay, which is all. You guys can just switch up the 6 though, right?
But it doesn't have that new wing on it.
Is this like gunmetal you're talking about?
Yeah. It doesn't show that much on here because it's black. But on the blue one, you could tell like the gunmetal a lot more.
I'm a Ford guy. I'm sorry.
We gotta see what the engine looks like.
Oh, it's already so scratched. What a shame.
Oh my god, I love this color so much.
This I know.
Is this a red eye?
If you want this,
Yeah.
I'll do it for you. I bet you I can get him to do it for 75.
Sheesh. But it's not the wide body. It doesn't have the wide. It has a wing on it.
Yeah, this is kind of like the black one on the shoulder.
Oh.
Let's see the that engine's looking like. Let's take a look and see. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cold air intake.
Is that a bigger intake than the Hellcats? Right?
Yeah.
It's a pretty big engine.
intake.
Oh, same
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah, they call it the cold air intake.
I really like that stamp right there.
Oh yeah, that's
That's
the
nice.
little difference right there. The red. It's
Already
cool.
comes with a green
Large
belt.
blower
And
belt.
then,
Yeah.
so these stock are pushing 797, right? Got the crank. So
No, yeah, 797 exactly. That's right.
gotcha. So is this under the Demon? This is the
The
most highest production.
845.
Yeah.
845 or 840?
845. Yeah.
845.
And
Alrighty guys, so we checked out the Red Eye, got to see it in person. Looks good. Obviously, you know, it's a new big deal right now with the dual snorkel hood and, you know, the wide body kit and all that stuff. So it's a pretty nice car.
right?
I'm gonna see if maybe they can get one started up for us. Oh, it's the black key. Can't even use all that power, huh? Gorgeous color. Got that car right there. This one right here. Alrighty guys, so we got to check out the Red Eye. Very cool car. I got to see it in person. Unfortunately, couldn't drive it or get a ride in it. Apparently, not allowed to do that. I get it, maybe trying to keep the miles down. But very nice car. The color. I like the color. I just think I might get bored of it. I think I would need something a little more stands out, pops a little bit. So maybe like a red or a green would look really good. I don't know if they offer it in this color or the Story Gray even. So there's side boo. There's the Hellcat Redeye. It was pretty cool seeing it. Now it's time to find one we can drive and test out for you guys. So if you do own a Redeye and you're in the Orange County area, hit me up. Let's make a review. Let's check out the car. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you slap a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush. There's my SRT, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.